our final hike before the big event. So we're gonna try to do 8 to 9 today. Get ready for the mudda.
Tough mudda.
Mudda, here we come.
All right, so here's the official sign. Crest Trail. Thanks, fellas. What's your guys' names?
We're with the PCTA.
PCT? Thanks for doing the trail,
Yeah,
fella. Appreciate it.
All right.
Appreciate
Thanks for
it.
using the trail.
Yeah, absolutely.
Use it for us if we use it. Yeah, it's
We're at half a mile, and there's Mary's Lake. All right, where we go? Kiss Pacific Crest, Mount Judah Trail to the left. I'm running where I can. I'm always moving when I can. At the 2-mile mark right now. Just keeps climbing. It's pretty nice. It's not real rocky. It's pretty grim. It's a good view of 80. That's Donner Lake. Check this out. Fantastic views. That's Lincoln. That's Disney. It's all Sugar Bowl right there. And we're at 2.5 miles. That's Mount Judah. That's Tim. Donner Lake. That's Judah, huh? Okay, so here's the deal. We're on the backside. We peaked at Mount Judah. We're skipping Donner Summit. We're taking the loop trail back down to the Pacific Crest Trail, down back where Sugar Bowl's at. All right, is that right? All right, cool. And I just figured out my GPS. Oh, Roller Pass. If you're really ambitious, you'll go take Roller Pass. If you really want to kill your legs.
We're gonna kill our legs.
All right. All right. Going up Roller Pass. It is 3.5 miles into the hike. Looks like we have an Anderson Peak, which is 4 miles. We have Tinky Knob, Ridge Knob, or something like that, 6 miles. We are at 3.72 miles into our hike. So important to keep fueled. I got a Gatorade water cut mix. We got power bars, goo, chomps. We're at 5.14 miles. Kind of free hiking it right here. Pretty steep. Cool though. Whoa. All right, Tim's right there. We just crossed, here, I can get a little perspective on that. That gap right down there. I had to jump across that. That's pretty crazy. Little crazy. So, pretty far down.
Nothing to it, right? The way back was easier, right?
Easier, yes. Well, because you can't see down, it just looks like it's gonna go forever. It's still what, 20 feet?
Down?
Yeah, between the gap.
Yeah, that's a good 20 feet. Well, was that fun?
Dude, that was, yeah, fun.
What's the trail that we're on?
Pacific Crest Trail.
Pacific Crest Trail. We're making our way. Where are you guys headed to?
Probably out to about Tinker's Knob.
Tinker's Knob. Nice. And where did you guys start?
Donner Summit.
Nice. Okay. And your first names maybe? And
Gretchen.
Gretchen?
Janelle. SacramentoOutdoors.com.
Nice. All right, Sac Outdoors. Meeting people on the trail today. Let me introduce you some people.
I'm Bill Noble from Hayward, California, and live in Squaw Valley, and we're going from Sugar Bowl to Squaw. I met these wonderful people.
Nice. Where are they? Which people are you talking about? How old are you?
I turned 80 in May.
Fantastic. I love it.
Hey, I'm Don Milkey. I'm from Sebastopol, California.
Nice.
And I'm on this hike from Sugar Bowl to Shirley Lake, Squaw Valley.
Nice.
And I'm 78. 78 and a half.
No saying you can't do it at any age. That's it. It's done.
SacOutdoors.com. Amen.
My name is Jenny Kendrick.
And I'm Mark, and we're walking Milo here. We're on the Mount Judah Loop. We're gonna get some exercise, and then we're gonna jump in Donner Lake later.
Fantastic. Sounds like a great day.
Hi, I'm Eleanor. And I'm Chris. And we're going to do the Mount Judah Loop Trail.
Nice.
And I never hike, so this is going to be exciting.
Perfect. I love it. You guys are great.
Hike you want to do.
This is a great bang for the buck
Our friends
hike.
did it yesterday, and they were jazzed. So.
Yeah, it's a great. You guys are gonna love it. You're really great. You guys got water and all that kind of good stuff. A little bit of food, and it'll be great. All right, enjoy your time. Look at that delicious beer, pouring ice cold, tasty. I love it. Like we've ever had.